Series Discernment unto Maturity Session 5 focuses on understanding God's grace and its role in spiritual maturity. The main themes include exploring grace as the essence of God rather than just an attribute, recognizing personal experiences of grace, and understanding how grace reveals God's nature and transforms believers. The study emphasizes the unity of faith, the transformative power of God's grace, and the importance of discernment in spiritual growth. We are encouraged to reflect on our personal experiences of God's grace and how it impacts our understanding of God and ourselves. The session references biblical passages, particularly from Ezekiel, Romans, Ephesians, and Galatians, to support the discussion. The study also touches on historical Christian revivals and theological concepts such as justification and sanctification. We are encouraged to deepen our relationship with God, embrace His grace fully, and live confidently in our life as children of God. We conclude with a call to trust God in daily life and to be a living witness of His grace to others.